Welcome to Cooking with Granny and Mama Soul Kitchen. Today we have our smacking oven baked turkey wings, everybody. And I'm telling you, gonna smack you in your mouth and make you want to slap somebody. Grandmother, I'm just saying. You know what, you guys, we did this Disneyland trip. You know, and we had a wonderful time. We went over to California Adventure. Go back and look at that blog about their buffalo turkey wings. It was kind of a disappointment because they gave us one little drum and also a wing of a chicken, like a little. Anyway, we came home and we got our festivities on because we was craving for some good old home cooked meal. I'm telling you, yes, we were. So I'm telling you guys, this right here, we're going to share this recipe tomorrow with everybody. The holidays is right around the corner. Yes, we got Christmas, we got Thanksgiving, we got Happy Kwanzaa and all that other stuff. So I'm telling you guys, we got this stuff going on here at Mama Soul Kitchen. Make sure you guys subscribe. We are sharing this recipe with you. Look at that tenderness of that. Look at that turkey right there. Ha! Nobody ain't got nothing on that at the church. I'm telling you. And we got flavor to the bone. And we're going to tell you how we got the juices that's running down to you all the way to the bone. So you guys, we love you. Thank you guys for following us. Make sure you guys, again, follow us and subscribe on YouTube channel. See you soon.